Welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the most overlooked muscle groups in the body. Many people neglect their forearms in their workout routine, but did you know having developed forearms not only looks impressive, but can improve your grip strength and your performance in the gym? That's right, developing your forearms can help you lift heavier weights, perform more reps, and take your workout to that next level. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to show off those Popeye forearms at the gym?
Popeye forearms at the gym.
But all you're going to need is two things: Mother Nature and a towel. The first exercise is doing pull-ups while gripping your towel. This exercise primarily targets the muscles in your forearms that are responsible for gripping and holding onto objects. You can also just do dead hangs for an extended period of time, but I found the pull-ups to be a little bit more intense. As you grip the towel tightly and pull yourself up towards the bar, you'll feel the muscles in your forearms, particularly the wrist flexors. Remember to engage your core and pull your shoulder blades down and back to maintain proper form throughout the exercise. And of course, don't forget to wipe the sweat off your forehead with your towel between sets. The next exercise is wrist flexion, using a weight such as a rock. And yes, I'm using a small rock for this, because much like taking an inappropriate picture, I want the main focus to seem as large as possible. As you curl your wrist upwards, hold for a second or two at the top. You'll start to feel a burn in the muscles on the inside of your forearm. However, as you progress, you'll probably want to find a heavier rock or maybe even a liter of soda. Remember to keep your elbow stationary and only move your wrist. You can also perform this exercise with a resistance band for added resistance. The final exercise I have for you is reverse curls using the same weight as before. This exercise primarily targets the muscles in your forearm that are responsible for extending your wrist, particularly the wrist extensor muscles. As you curl your wrist upwards towards your forearm, you'll feel the muscles on the outside of your forearm working to lift the weight. But building strength, size, and power does not have to stop with just these exercises that I just demonstrated. Using the grocery store as an example, instead of getting a cart, you can use a basket or a bag to carry your groceries around the store while you do your shopping. I know how we all hate, once we finally get done shopping, we park in the parking lot and we gotta pick up all the groceries and bring them to the refrigerator. Now, you have even more an incentive. It's muscle building. Try to make it all one trip, 1 or 2 trips, instead of 2 or 3. That way you're overloading the muscles, adding more weight, and developing your forearms. And if you really want to be the neighborhood hero, help that older lady down the street with her groceries too.